right, you're welcome back. I'm so excited. We are making progress. Okay, today we are looking at the approach to simultaneous equation. Okay, now when you look at what we did in the previous lessons about linear equation, okay, you know, we give an example, whereby you have only one unknown or one variable, something like 2x plus 6 equal to 10 equal to 16 rather, okay, and you're asked to find x, whereby you say 2x equal to, crossing this we have 10 and x will now be 5. Okay, now this time around we are going to treat the simultaneous equation on linear equation, and it may take this kind of form. Okay, when you talk about simultaneous equation, you may have more than one variable to determine the value. So something like this. This a simultaneous equation, simultaneous linear equation. If you watch, is only two variable, okay, without the constant has been pushed off to the other side. Okay, now this kind of example, if you want to solve it, can either employ two methods. We call one is substitution method. Or substitution method, or you have elimination method. Okay, so relax, I'm going to give you examples, and we use either of these to illustrate them for a better understanding. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, so we want to look at the example of simultaneous equation with substitution method, just like the example we did before, rather the equation we gave before, 3x plus 2y equal to 10, or x plus 2y equal to 2. Okay, we can call this equation 1 and call this what? Equation 2. Now pay attention. Solutions. We are, remember I said we are going for what? Substitution method. We have what we do here is, in substitution method, we take one of the equations, make one of the variables subject of the formula or subject of equation. Remember our topic on subject of equation. So if you can't remember it again, you can go back and rewatch that so that you can understand fully. So let's assume we take the first equation, which is equal to 10. Okay, this is the equation 1. Okay, now we can make x the subject of formula here. We can say 3x equal to 10. This crossing equality sign will be 2y. Okay, now x will be, you multiply, rather you divide through by 3. Okay, when multiplying you what? You divide. So you divide both sides by, you divide through by 3 rather. By 3, okay? Now we have 3x over 3 equal to 10 over 3 minus 2 over 3y. So with this we have this cancel itself. We have x equal to 10 over 3 minus 2 over 3y. So we can go further and maybe take the LCM of this to be 3. So with this we have 3 into this one times 10 is 10 minus 3 into this one times 2y, we have 2y. Okay, so this is the x is the value of x is this is the value of x rather. Okay, remember when you get this is now equation what? Equation 3. Now we go over to this side of the board. Okay, quickly, we're going to use this what we have as x and substitute it in what? Equation 2. Okay, when we substitute this value of x in equation 2 here, equation 2 is x plus 2y equal to 2. Okay, remember this is equation 2. Now wherever any place you see x, you replace it with this. Okay, so we have x is equal to 10 minus 2y over 3. Okay, plus 2y equal to 2. Okay, now from this, what we do now next is to what? To remove this denominator here. To remove this denominator, what we do is we what? Since we are dividing, when dividing, we will multiply. So at this point, we will multiply through by 3. Multiply through. On doing that, we have this multiplying here means that 3 will cancel this 3. We have 10 minus 2y plus 3 times this is what? 6y equal to 3 times this is 6. Okay, with this we have 2. Okay, we say 10 minus 2y. Okay, minus 2y plus 6y, we have plus 4y equal to 6. So with this now we have this crossing equality sign. We have 4y equal to 6 minus 10, and 4y and y now is equal to this minus this is what? Minus 4 over 4. So y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. I believe you understand what I did, because here this is minus this is 6 and this is minus 10. So minus 10 is bigger than 6 and 10 bears the minus sign. Okay, now we now end up having minus 4, and this, okay, for this 4y we said divide both sides by 4. So this 4 will cancel this 4, and coming to this side, since we have minus 4 over what? 4. So that will give us y is equal to 1. All right, now we substitute what? We substitute y equal to minus 1 in equation 3. Where is our equation 3? This is our equation 3, and equation 3 says x equal to X equal to 10 minus 2 in brackets. Remember, y is what? Is now minus 1 all over 3. So x is equal to 10. 2 minus 2 times minus 1 will give you what? Plus 2 all over 3. So with this we have, therefore, x is equal to, this plus this is 12 over 3, which is equal to what? 3 into itself, 1 into this 4. So we have x is equal to 4. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the answer. Y is minus 1. Okay? Y is minus 1. And x is equal to plus 4. So if you want to know if you got this answer, simply illustrate it with any of this equation. Okay, just replace y minus equal to as minus 1 rather, and x as plus 4 in any of the equation. If you do that, maybe let's quickly do that. 4x is 4. Okay, and this one is minus 1. So if we want to know if we can get what we have at the other side of the equation, so this times this will give you 12. 12, remember this is minus now. This 2 times 2 times minus 1 is what? 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus plus minus will still give you what? Minus. So 12 minus 2 is what? 10. If you still say let's use the second equation, you find out that when you say that this is 4 and this is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, now if you have 2 times minus 1 is what? Minus 2. And minus plus minus is minus. Okay, now 4 minus 2 is what? Plus 2. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the what? The answer to our question. Thank you very much. I believe you understand it. But if there's any question you have, maybe go to the comment section and ask us. Thank you.